on our legislators to protect our best interests. We must rely on one another. Plant an organic garden and invest in our future.
Yes.
Spread the word about GMOs and continue to educate our friends, our neighbors, and ourselves about the dangers of frankenfood. Reject GMOs and their pushers.
Yeah!
Support local farmers.
Yeah!
We will bring Monsanto to their knees when we reach a tipping point of 5% consumer GMO rejection. Believe in a future of clean water, clean food, and wild places for our children. Thank you.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
And now it is my pleasure to introduce to you Barbara Thomas and Tom Rummelman from GMO Free New Jersey with Dr. Nefarious.